Alright, now I'm going to do another example of angle addition with algebra. But this time, I just want to toss in one where we had to subtract expressions. In case it comes up, you never know, could be helpful. So, let's see. Here, we have, we know that ABC is 2x plus 9, measure of ABC. We know the measure of ABD, that's the big angle, is 20x plus 5. We know that this angle over here, CBD, is 68 degrees. We're trying to find the measure of ABC. So we're going to have to set up an equation. We know that the big angle, 20x minus 5, minus the smaller angle, 2x plus 9, is going to be equal to 68. So we'll just set up an equation that says that. So we'll go, 20x plus 5 minus 2x plus 9 equals 68 degrees. And by the way, what we're doing here, this step is find x. That's our first step. Okay. So let's see, we'll combine like terms. I have a 20x and a 2x. What's going to be, let's open up the parentheses first. That's a better way to do it, actually. So let me let's go step back here. All right, I'm going to open up these parentheses. Okay, so the 20x plus 5, that's fine, just opens up as is. But when I open up the second set, because of that negative sign out front, that becomes a negative 2x, and this over here becomes a negative 9. Everything inside the parentheses will change. If I had anything negative inside, then it would have changed to a positive. Okay? All right, now we'll combine like terms. So I have a 20x and a negative 2x, and that gives me 18x. And then I have a 5 and a negative 9. That's going to give us minus 4 equals 68. All sorts of color stuff going on here. So let's see, I'll add 4 to both sides, and I get 18x equals 72. Then I'll divide by 18 on both sides, and I end up with x equals 4. So we found x. Now, step 2, we need to find the angle measure. Okay. Oop, that's terrible spelling of the word measure. That is the word measure. Find angle measure. Okay. So we have that the measure of angle ABC equals 2x plus 9. So then we just have to do a little substitution. We say the measure of angle ABC equals 2. We know x is 4, so 2 times 4 plus 9. Then we just kind of work it out there, and we get that the measure of angle ABC is equal to 17 degrees. Okay. And while we're at it, let's just go ahead and find the other angle too. Wouldn't hurt. So we know that, let's scooch everything down here a little bit before we go boop, boop, boop. We know that the measure of angle ABD, that's from up here, is 20x plus 5. So I'll kind of scooch things down here a little bit. And so the measure of angle ABD is 20 times 4 plus 5, measure of angle ABD. So that's 20 times 4 is 80 plus 5 is 85. 85 degrees. And part of the reason I wanted to do that was because I can check 85, take away 17, so I had to borrow, that becomes a 7 and a 15, and that's 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. So that's 68 degrees. And if you go back and check, yep, sure enough, 68 degrees. So it worked. Again, the 2 steps here, any type of problem like this is always 2 steps. First, you have to find x. So you'll have to set up and solve an equation to find x. And then once you find x, if you're asked to, you're going to have to go back in and find angle measures based on it by just plugging x in. So 2 steps there.